Let's make money with mobile photography. I'll explain this simply. After a simple explanation, I'll show you how to register for sale, how to upload pictures, how many dollars you can earn, and what are the ways you can get money. That's really awesome. This site name is Shutterstock. But don't register it now. This is not the seller's place. This is the buyer's place. On this site, you can buy photos. Let's go to seller's side. This is the seller's side. You can go it on this video description or search on Google as contributor Shutterstock. I'm going to show you how to register on this site. Now, click on sign up button. Now, you can see this form. First you have to fill full name. It must be your legal name, for example, Indian actress Amir Khan, full name of him Muhammad Amir Hussain Khan. Now tick on the condition. The condition says you must 18 years old. If you're not, create an account with your mother's or father's name. Now, click next. Check your Gmail. It will have an email from Shutterstock. Open it and click on verify. Now your Gmail is verified. Now, you can see this form. Fill it correctly. It must be your real address. Why real address? You should confirm your address before getting your first earning. Congrats, you created your account. And now your account is active. Let's set up account settings simply. You can see there your profile strength is 5%. Follow these steps to complete your profile quickly. First I'm going to set up a payment setting. Now go to account setting. There is payment information. You can get your payment with PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer. Normally I'm using PayPal and Payoneer. If you don't have an account, don't worry. You can continue your works without a payment method. Add payment method next month, year, when you can. However, I'll show you how to create a Payoneer account simply and quickly next video. Now, let's set up a profile. Go to personalize my Shutterstock portfolio. Upload a profile picture. The better thing is adding a photo of you. File type should JPG and size must under 10 MB. Next, contributor type, select photographer and videographer. And next styles. It means 3 selections that describe yourself. For example, if you're traveler, select style as travel, nature, sky lover. Scroll down, you can see text boxes that can add social media. Just add. So, now your profile is strengthened 75%. Now profile is okay. Let's upload a photo. Follow these steps. Give a simple description about the photo. Select the correct category. It will help get more downloads. If you like, you can add the location which place in the picture. It's optional. You can miss it. Mature content meaning? It's mean this picture has sexy or nudity thing. My picture is clear nature. So miss it. Okay. Done it. But, now your picture not active in publishing pictures. Because they manual review this. Now, your photo going to review. The results will come within 24 to 48 hours. After review, they will inform you that your picture is okay or not okay. If it fails, you can see reasons. Next time, remove the fail reasons. You can earn $0.25 to $0.81 for every single download. Simply it means 10 downloads equal $25 to $81. There are seller levels. When you level up, you can earn much more. I'll give a link for more information about earning. Link in the description. Stay subscribed for more internet money videos. Goodbye.